How to make camping easier through technology. When you go camping with your family, you are likely to create memories that everyone remembers for a lifetime. But are the memories good ones filled with smiles and laughter? Or is just the trip that no one ever wants to talk about? The difference is largely in your knowledge and preparation for the trip. Read on for tips you can use towards camping success. While you may think that nature will offer up enough wood to keep your fire embers burning, it could quite possibly be wet wood that doesn't really want to burn. Make sure you bring some of your own dry kindling and make sure it stays in a dry area. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. Take only photos and leave only footprints. That is the rule of thumb when camping. Only use the natural resources that you need and do not leave any traces that you were camping when you leave. Pick up all trash, extinguish and cover any fire pits, bury all human waste, and make the area where you camp look exactly as it did when you found it. Make sure that you avoid any venomous plants. A good way to do this is to stop at the ranger station and ask what kinds of poisonous plants are in the area so you can identify them if you come into contact with them on the trail. Never eat anything while hiking on the trail if you do not know it is edible. Know what is available in the area around your campsite. You may get lucky and have beautiful weather the entire time. However, you may also face inclement weather, too. Have a backup plan in case you need a diversion. This is particularly crucial if you have kids, but adults need a little entertainment as well. Camping trips with your family become the memories of legend. Sometimes these memories are good, sometimes they are bad. To give your next camping trip the highest chances of success, apply all the ideas that you have read in this video. They can serve as the tent of knowledge that protects you. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.